Days after the landmark Supreme Court ruling that made same-sex marriage legal in all 50 states, there is Texas-sized resistance. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton issued a statement saying the Supreme Court manufactured a right that, quote, simply does not exist. He says county clerks can refuse to give same-sex couples marriage licenses on the grounds of religious freedom and that he'll protect them. Quote, it is important to note that any clerk who wishes to defend their religious objections and who chooses not to issue licenses may well face litigation and or a fine. But numerous lawyers stand ready to assist clerks defending their religious beliefs, in many cases on a pro bono basis, and I will do everything I can from this office to be a public voice for those standing in defense of their rights. We asked Attorney General Paxton to come on the program. He declined. Meanwhile, some county clerks in Texas are taking his advice and say they won't give marriage licenses to same-sex couples despite what the Supreme Court says. One of those clerks is in Hood County. CNN's Ryan Nobles joins us from Granbury, Texas, with more. So I know you tried to talk to this county clerk. What happened?
Yeah, Anderson, Katie Lang is the county clerk here in Hood County, Texas. She's among a pretty large group of county clerks who said they were not going to issue licenses to same-sex couples looking to get married. So we came here to Granbury to find out why. We went into her office. We spoke with her receptionist. She said she wasn't granting any interviews. So we waited for her to leave for the day, and this is what happened. Hi, Ms. Lang. How are you? Ryan Nobles from CNN. I was just hoping you could provide us some clarity as to how your county's going to handle the same-sex ruling from the Supreme Court.
I already gave an interview, so I don't really want to talk to you guys right now.
Well, you're a public official, ma'am. Can you just explain? I mean, there's a lot of people that don't have the clarity as to exactly how your county's going to handle this. Could you explain that to us?
I already gave an interview, and I'll have
You didn't give an interview to us, ma'am.
I know, but
Are you not going to issue the licenses then?
I'm going to post something on my website so you can read about tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
So you can't tell us one way or the other whether or not the county's going to do it then?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Wow. So a public official will not even explain her public position despite her position of authority, and people in that county now just have to wait until she decides to post this on her website?
That's what it appears, Anderson. She did not give us any clarity as to what is going to be in that statement tomorrow morning. The interview she's talking about, we believe, is with the Fort Worth Star-Telegram, where she said that she believes she has the right through the First Amendment to deny these licenses based on the guidance provided to her by the Attorney General. We talked to a constitutional law professor from the University of Texas today, and he said that it's not quite that simple, that perhaps there is some guidance within what the Attorney General is saying to individuals within the office, but not the entire office itself. And he said that the best evidence of that is that while the Attorney General says he's going to publicly help these county clerks, he's not going to specifically represent them himself, but instead hand them off to lawyers that will do it for free. But I guess same-sex couples here, and we should point out that Ms. Lang has not received any requests from same-sex couples as of yet. We'll have to wait and see what she says on that website tomorrow.